guys, Miss Sailing here with your science experiment for today. Sammy says hi. Gabby's in the background too. And it's beautiful outside. And this science experiment you're going to need to do outside. Right, Gabby? She says right. All right. This is what you're going to need for this science experiment. It's called the exploding bag experiment. You are going to need one sandwich baggie, one tissue, Kleenex, don't let it fly away if you're outside, measuring spoons, you need the tablespoon, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of baking soda, hey, stop, don't lick that, yuck, a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of vinegar, and food coloring if you want it. So, if you want, I don't think you can see that. I was going to show you my phone. It had the ingredients or what you need, the materials. But you can't see it. So, we're going to get started. I told you what you needed. If you need to, you can go back and look. And then I'm going to say it again right here. So, in your plastic baggie, your sandwich baggie, make sure there's no holes. Okay? You're going to pour your 1/4 cup of water. Okay, make sure it doesn't spill. Then I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm going to pour a 1/2 cup of vinegar. Okay, make sure it's a 1/2 cup. I have to dump a little bit out. Okay, then I'm going to put my 1/2 cup of vinegar. Wish I had an assistant. In my baggie. Then this part is optional, but I had some left over in the cupboard. I think it's from when we did our gingerbread houses because it's green. And I'm going to make it green. You don't have to. Just an extra touch. Okay. So here's my baggie full of green water. Then, make sure it doesn't spill. I'm going to close it so it doesn't spill. I lose all of my... Then you're going to take your tissue. And you're going to lay it flat. It's kind of hard with all of the wind. I have it down on the ground here. Okay, but you're going to lay it flat. And you are going to put in the middle of your tissue, once it's flat, in the middle of it, you are going to count out 3 tablespoons of baking soda. That's a lot. Okay. So I got my 3. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the tissue and you're going to fold up all of the sides like a square. So there's no way the baking soda can fall out of it. So, let's see if I can do this. Fold up this side. I'll see if I can show you. And this side. Alright, so I did it. Okay, like a little sandwich. I folded up all the sides. Then, fingers crossed this works. I didn't even test it out first. So you're going to be testing it out with me. But you're going to take your baggie and you're going to open the corner of it and you're going to slip this little Kleenex mixture of baking soda and Kleenex inside the baggie really fast and then zip up the baggie really fast and back away. Hopefully it expands because of the mixture between the water, the vinegar, and the baking soda. The bag's going to expand, and then it's going to do a little mini explosion. We're not talking about a big explosion here. We're talking about a little mini explosion where the bag is just going to kind of burst. So, here we go. I got to back up a little bit. Alright. I'm going to go back here. Hopefully you can still see it. I just don't want it too close to my computer. Or if it does go bigger, it doesn't. Okay, so I open my little baggie. Slip this in. We'll see. I don't know, guys. It's bubbling. Oh. Oop. It's starting to expand. It's getting bigger. I don't know if it's going to explode. Oh, it might. Hopefully you can still see it. It's definitely, the bag's getting bigger and it's expanding. It's bubbling. Oh, I see it. Oh. I feel like any moment now. No, Sammy, you stay. That's a really, really durable bag. I don't know if it's going to pop. So, Smarties. No, Samson. No. Back up. No. It's pops on you. That's horrible. So, Smarties, you can see the bag has definitely expanded. No, Samson. Sammy, no. No, that's not a treat. Come on. Oh! It exploded! So it finally exploded, Smarties. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? No, Sammy. Sammy thinks it's a treat. Okay, there it is. Alright. So, our baggie experiment worked. It took a little longer than I anticipated, but it definitely worked. It expanded. It was neat to see how the bag, you kind of make sure that when you put the Kleenex in, zip it up, and kind of, you have time, as you saw, to kind of shake it and make sure, don't shake the bag, but just make sure that it gets down into the liquid so it can mix with the Kleenex. At first it was sitting on top, so the liquid wasn't getting into the Kleenex. So make sure that it gets into the Kleenex and the liquid mixes with it, and then you'll slowly start to see it fizz and then expand. No, Samson. So, have fun with it. Video it, send it to me. Let me know if your baggie exploded. You can do it more than once if you want to, but it worked. I'm glad it worked. I was a little worried that it wasn't going to explode, but it eventually got so much pressure in it that it exploded. All right, bye for now, Smarties. Have fun, have a happy Monday, and enjoy this beautiful weather.